Kayla makes $100,000 a year, and her toilet is clogged with a Gucci bag. Big Bertha makes $52,000, and her toilet is just a toilet. How? Because Kayla spent $8,000 on a bag to carry the stuff she bought to impress people she does not even like. And today, we are going to watch her ruin her life one click at a time. But first, let me show you the $47 smoothie. Yeah, $47 for a smoothie. Kayla made it herself. Kayla walks in like, I'm about to get healthy. She buys a $1,500 Vitamix, uses it 3 times. Now it is a $500 smoothie that tastes like regret and kale. That blender takes up space. Space in your kitchen, that is rent you are paying for a machine that judges you. Kayla's apartment is $2,400 a month. That corner of the counter, $300 a year. For a blender she used 3 times. So that $1,500 blender actually cost $1,800 for 3 smoothies. That is $600 per smoothie. Ma'am, for $600, that smoothie better come with a therapist, a tax write-off, and a signed apology from your mother. But it gets worse because Kayla does not just buy stuff. She buys identities. She bought a surfboard. She does not surf. She just liked the idea of being a girl who surfs. Now that board sits in the corner like we both know. You do not go outside. Big Bertha rents first, tries first, tests the lifestyle before buying into it, because most new hobbies expire in 2 weeks, like your gym membership and your patience. Big Bertha bought a $2,500 mattress, cooling, back support, cloud level comfort. She sleeps on it every night for 8 years. That is 2,900 nights. That is less than $1 per night. That expensive mattress, one of the cheapest decisions she ever made. Kayla walks into her closet and it looks like Fashion Nova had a baby and that baby exploded. She is standing there like, I have nothing to wear. Meanwhile, Big Bertha got 12 outfits, and somehow she always looks put together because Kayla does not have a money problem. She has a decision problem. Big Bertha walks through her house and asks, if this disappeared today, would I buy it again? That fitness glider machine she only used twice? No. Get rid of it. Those cowboy boots she bought for a vibe and never lived? No, get rid of it. If you would not buy it again today, it is not valuable. It is just there. Like that ex who still watches your stories. Kayla upgrades her phone every 2 years. New color, same life, $1,200 every 2 years. Over 20 years, $12,000. And that is just phones, not the car upgrades, the furniture upgrades, the new year, new me upgrades. You are not upgrading your life. You are upgrading your expenses. Kayla shops like this. Click, buy, done, no thinking, no pause, just pure unfiltered financial chaos. Big Bertha. She makes it annoying. She removes saved cards, deletes shopping apps, gives herself a 24-hour rule. Half the stuff you want today, you will not even remember tomorrow. Kayla is in therapy, not for the shopping, for the feelings that make her shop. Therapist asks, what are you really buying? Kayla says, I do not know. Peace. Big Bertha is not in therapy, not because she is perfect, because she found peace in her bank account. Kayla makes $100,000 and she is eating cereal out of a blender because she ran out of bowls, because her sink is full, because she is too tired to wash dishes, because she worked overtime to pay for stuff she does not use. That is not a life. That is a hamster wheel with better lighting. If you do not define what enough looks like, you will chase more forever. Kayla makes more money, so she spends more money. She levels up her income and her stress comes with it. Big Bertha decided this is enough for me, so everything extra goes into index funds, real estate, and accounts that pay her while she sleeps. There are 2 lives. Path 1, buy more, feel stressed, buy more to cope, stay stuck. Path 2, buy less, save more, feel calm, build freedom. Kayla is on path 1. Big Bertha built path 2. One decision at a time. You do not need more money. You need less nonsense, because the goal is not to look rich. It is to wake up and not worry. And if your blender costs more than your piece, you are not cooking, you are getting cooked.